Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Trax. Bred for city life, this SUV adds curb appeal to every street. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, air conditioning, streaming audio, leather steering wheel, power heated mirrors, external memory control, aluminum wheels, smartphone wireless charging, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver explains its light-effort rack-mounted electric power steering, however, provides ample feedback, and this little crossover SUV remains composed even on bumpy roads. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.